G'day guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're just giving you a bit of a look at our new addition to the rig, baby.
Yeah, new addition, offer us a bit more protection and stuff, so fingers crossed.
Yeah,
we can work it out.
So as you can see, sorry about the background noise, that's a generator running over there to the plant. As you can see, we're actually on site. We're about to start grain harvest, so we're trying to get this awning done before we start harvest. Get
it set up so we're comfortable.
Yeah, so anyhow, this is the new Super Peg 3.6 meter, specially designed for the Tanamine X13 and the similar size van. I think the Parker's 13 Mark II and all that, I think they'll take the same awnings. It's pretty much a standard thing. But yeah, the boys, after a bit of R&D, have decided that the 4.2 doesn't really suit the Tanamine 13, so they've made this 3.6.
Yeah.
So it was quite easy to install, as you can see. We're out here on site, dear. I think it was more of a drama to take the old one down, yeah? Yeah, but it was just a matter of using the brackets they supply, lining it up, drilling the drill holes, not using 1, 2, 1, 2, and then just putting it up there and bolting it up, and it was pretty simple, eh dear?
Yeah, we were a bit confused because Super Peg supplies brackets, but it's for your car awning. So if you do attach a Super Peg to your Austrac Tanamite, you do not need those silver brackets, but use them as a guide to drill holes.
Yeah, as a spacer,
yeah, as a spacer, so you know where to drill holes in your pre-existing thing. So
alright, so we're going to set the camera up now and do a bit of a time lapse and see how she goes setting it up first time.
Crazy. Alright,
but here we go. The new 3.6. Rightio, so that was a bit of a time lapse of just doing the setup of the initial canopy. We've got it all up now. We've put all the wall kit on, and then everything fits fantastic. And this is the Outbound 3.6 Super Peg awning by Super Peg, and Lise is back now. What are your initial thoughts, dear? Are you happy with it, or?
I'm happy. I'm just a little bit unhappy that we got the wrong infill, but because they knew that what we were getting, but I don't know, human error I suppose. But yeah, I'm happy that we can actually sit outside and be out of the elements and actually enjoy outside. But
otherwise, what do you think of the quality of it?
Yeah, quality's really good, I think.
Quality's really good. Yeah, so basically everything was really good. We did get stuffed around a lot with the delivery. That's the honest truth. This is the infill. It does not fit right. It's actually a 4.2 and we've got the new 3.6, so it's longer than what it is, but they're going to send us out the new infill express in the post, so hopefully it gets here pretty soon. But we went with the full wall kit, 1 door, 1 window. I think it retails for what, 4,500, dear?
Yeah, about that.
So we'll give you a bit of a look.
Don't mind the mess.
Yeah, it's a bit dark inside, but as you can see, the infill swaps around a bit. But we just got it up there for now, but they'll send us out a new one. Yeah, basically the only other all the poles drop down. Only the other bits you've got to put in are these two strut bars up here. One there, which are pretty easy. They just clip in and extend out.
Bars here.
One at the back here. This piece goes there. It just clicks up into there, sits there, and they just clip in to that corner there like that.
And these two bars here, dear.
Oh yeah, and the two crossbars as well. Two support crossbars. But yeah, that's the window. Fantastic.
Just that we also found too that we pegged it into the ground and then we had to readjust the height. But to readjust the height, you've got to pull the pegs out of the ground, then re-peg it.
Yeah, so make sure you've got your
heights right
height
before you peg
about
it.
2 meters, I think.
We only pegged it because the wind started to pick up. So
yeah, but other than that, the quality of the canvas is
pretty good.
Really good. I can see, like,
so lightweight.
Me personally, when Lisa first said, let's get a super peg, I'm like, $4.5 grand on an awning, like, come on, like, that is expensive. But I can see in the build quality, and I can see in the canvas, and I think the main thing is too, dear, hey, when you can pick up 5 walls and 2 boxes, and I can hold all the walls in my hands, you can see it's... And
they all come in their own little bag. So what we've done is we've numbered the bags. So when we take it down, we'll put the infill in the infill, number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. So then we know exactly which order they go in. So hopefully next time
the
we
weight,
put it up,
the sheer weight of it, hey, is next level, dear, hey. Like, yeah, the weight of it, like, it's just...
Like the
it is super light compared. That's why we're full-time traveling on the road, as you know. We've been gone now for nearly 9 months, and we're in Western Australia, and we've been copping some hardcore weather out on the goldfields and stuff. And yeah, this is going to be a game changer for us. No more hiding inside, because hey dear,
yeah.
like, serious.
I'm just looking at this. I wonder why they got Velcro here.
Not sure, dear. But seriously though, it's been like, we've had a couple of days, like, we've experienced what it's like, life on a submarine, as a submariner on the ocean. Hey, like, 2 days of solid rain on the goldfields, and you're hiding inside in a 10 of mine X13. It's, yeah.
Get a bit of cabin fever.
Yeah, a little bit of cabin fever, but this is just a game changer. It's no more hiding. Like, you've got all this area. It's just, I think it's worth the money. Do you think it's worth the money?
And if you do get it and get rid of your other annex, your full annex, obviously you're going to, keep your